earlier in my career, whether for medical affairs or commercial, and honestly, I think very much in line with most of the industry, it was very much measured in activity. And, when it comes to medical affairs, number of advisory boards, publications, MSL interactions, all of those typical things that I think we all know very well. But, that's a little bit the order taker model, and it's valued for execution. But today, I see that these definitions have changed, and I'm thrilled to see that, because success should be defined by outcomes. Changes in clinical practice, improved patient access, evidence gaps closed, enhanced scientific reputation and trust, and all of that really ultimately in resulting in kind of the ultimate outcome of improved population health outcomes. So I think good questions, to ask to understand whether we are really delivering on those outcomes and not falling into that trap of, vanity metrics and activity metrics is, for example, did our insights actually change an organizational decision? Did the environment become better able to adopt innovation for the benefit of patients? And, I think especially this last one, and, as I'm thinking through that question, is it not only incredibly important when you think about the value, again, that you're delivering externally, but I think we all know that 80% of launches have their long-term fate determined in the first 6 months, and only 20% ever, really recover afterwards. And medical affairs is one of the biggest determinants of whether the environment is ready. And I think that's really a success metric that is worth understanding and that is worth owning.